Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one is electronic prescription service data. Let's have a look at the sort of data we have. So it comes out very regularly. Every day there's new data, in fact. You've got prescriptions claimed, prescriptions created, and prescriptions dispensed. Let's have a look at the data itself. So here's the three tables. Claimed first, have a quick look. So you can see by the pharmacy and the treatment type, and do it again. And you've got the descriptions and the rest of it. Those are put together because we've got the metadata in a separate bunch of tables up here. The created one, prescriptions created, similar sort of stuff. And prescriptions dispensed. So if you want to have a play with that data, just follow the link in the description below. Get 30 days free access to this and thousands of other data sets. And then if you want to carry on using it after that, then give me a shout.